The 9th of Muharram, also known as the day of Ashura, is an important date in the Islamic calendar. It falls on the 10th day of Muharram in the first month of the Islamic lunar calendar. The day of Ashura holds great significance for Muslims and is observed for various reasons across different Islamic traditions. Commemoration of historical events. One of the most prominent events associated with Ashura is the martyrdom of Imam Hussein ibn Ali, the grandson of Prophet Muhammad. In the year 680 CE, during the Battle of Karbala in present-day Iraq, Imam Hussein and his followers, who stood for justice and resisted tyranny, were tragically killed. The commemoration of his martyrdom is particularly significant for Shia Muslims who mourn his death during the first 10 days. Fasting and reflection. For Sunni Muslims, Ashura is also a day of fasting. It is believed that fasting on this day can expiate sins and bring blessings. Many Muslims choose to fast either on the 9th and 10th of Muharram or the 10th and 11th to distinguish from Jewish traditions. Many Muslims use historical and religious significance in Ashura is a day and with historical and religious importance, providing food to the needy and helping those less fortunate. According to Islamic tradition, it marks the day when differences between Sunni and Shia observances. It is important to note that while both Sunni and Shia Muslims observe Ashura, it is believed to be the day when Prophet Adam and Eve were created man when Noah for Shia Muslims it is a solemn occasion of mourning and remembrance of Imam Hussein as sacrifice, while Sunni Muslims may fast and engage in acts of worship with a different emphasis. It's essential to approach the topic with sensitivity and respect, considering the diverse ways in which Muslims observe this significant day.